In this sum, we need to determine the coefficient h of n for a linear phase FIR filter of length n is equal to 15. And they've given h of 2 pi k by 15 is equal to 1 for the k values 0, 1, 2 and 3, and it is 0 for k is equal to 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, the general form for the FIR filter is h of d omega is equal to e power minus j alpha omega. Now, alpha is nothing but the symmetry, and in order to find the symmetric value, the formula is n minus 1 by 2. And from the question, we have n is equal to 15. So, substituting that, we will finally get alpha as 7. And since we have the length as 15, in the question they have given only the values from 0 to 7. Now we have to find where this 1 and 0 lies in the range from 8 to 14. In order to find that, we have to draw a graph. Now take h of k in the y-axis and the k value in the x-axis. And in the question they've given the value of h of k as 1 for 0, 1, 2 and 3. So for those values you have to draw the line above like this. Now, and in the question they've given 0 for the values 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you have to draw the line on the x-axis. Since it is given that it is a symmetric system, and we also found the value of symmetry which is 7. So the values after 7 will follow the values before 7. So which means 8 will be equal to 6, 9 will be equal to 5, 10 will be equal to 4 and so on. In that way we will find the range for k for 1 and 0. Now like I said, the general formula is e power minus j alpha omega. So we found the value of alpha to be 7. So substituting that, we will get h of k is equal to e power minus j 7 omega, and for this the k values will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, and for 0 it will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we have to substitute this omega with the formula 2 pi k by n, and the value of n is there in the question already, which is 15. Now substituting that omega value, we have e power minus j 14 pi k by 15. Now we have to find the values for h of 0 to h of 14. For k values 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, we don't have to find since it is already defined as 0. Like I said, the formula for h of n is this. Since the value of n is equal to 15, it is odd, we have this formula. Now substituting the values for n, which is 15, h of 0 as 1, and for k is equal to 1 to 7, we need to find the values. Now for k is equal to 1, h of 1 we had the value as this, for h of 2 and h of 3. Now from these two, we can take e power j 2 pi by 15 as common, and inside we will get n minus 7. Similarly, from these two values, we can take e power j 4 pi by 15 and inside we will get n minus 7. Similarly, for these two terms, we will have e power j 6 pi by 15 into n minus 7. We have the formula e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So, over here, we are using only the real part. So, we can omit the I sin theta, which is the imaginary part. So it will be cos theta, and over here theta value is nothing but 2 pi by 15 into n minus 7. So substituting this formula over here, we will get this equation. Now in order to find the coefficients, we have to substitute n is equal to 0 to 14 in the h of n equation. Now first let's apply n is equal to 0. So h of 0 will be minus 0.05. So similarly, we will find the value for h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5, h of 6 and h of 7. Now, since it is a symmetric system, we need to find only till 7 because 7 is the point of symmetry, and from the graph, like I said, the values after 7 will follow the values before 7. So 8 will follow 6, 9 will be equal to 5. Similarly, all these values will be equal to these values. So finally we will get all the coefficients for the FIR filter.